Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's January 15th and I want to do my mid-month budget report. So if you're interested in seeing how my first month of 2018 is going, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so if you're new here, I make budgeting and lifestyle videos and pretty much do a beginning of the month budget, update in the middle of the month, and then at the end of the month talk about everything that happened. So this is the mid-month video. If that kind of stuff interests you, please don't forget to subscribe. But we're going to go ahead and just jump right into the budget. First paycheck of the year was $1,759.02. I will be honest, I didn't really expect it to go down. I know it really didn't go down that much, but this might be my new paycheck. For now, and we will have a merit increase coming up soon, which is exciting, I think in March. So this won't stay this for very long, and who knows, maybe I'll get a promotion. I believe that I will. I'm just going to put that out into the world so that hopefully good will come my way. Cash back from last month was $809, and I tried the insurance claim, depositing the $100, and for some reason Chase Bank doesn't recognize it, so this is not in my bank account yet. For the wedding, I'm putting $44 a month in until June to try and get my balance up, but I did have to spend $107 on the hotel for the weekend. I think they might be doing like an Airbnb or something for the weekend. We're going up to Wisconsin, which in the grand scheme of things, $107 for a weekend of a bachelorette, just for your place to stay, is actually quite affordable. Thankfully, she's not making me go to Vegas or anything. I did pay $40 into my U-Pass. So I'm going to put more money in there as well. I did pay my parking, and then I'm going to make this a sinking fund. So I did go ahead and put a little bit more money in it that way. That's why you see 186. This is probably going to have to change to make up for something that happened, and I'll go through that. So my cell phone bill was $100, and that's because my mom was like, hey, don't forget to pay your cell phone bill and pay extra because you didn't pay last month. And I was like, okay. So unfortunately, I did budget for this last month, but it came out of this month. Our AT&T bill was, for me, only $56, which I don't really understand why. But this will be the bill. I won't have to pay any less for that. I did already pay this, so I think I'll just go ahead and put that in here. Then ComEd, I anticipate this being more money because I didn't pay last month. So we'll see what that is. If you don't know, my boyfriend pays that bill and then tells me what I owe him. So I don't really know until he pays it. In terms of gas, I filled up twice already, $30 each. Gas is still going up in my area, and normally I don't hit this $30 threshold. And to be honest, I wait till it I need to go fill up my tank. So, oh well. I just anticipate this being a little bit more. So Uber, I haven't Ubered anywhere this month. Restaurants, I'm doing okay. So I tried to put my $100 in the bank for restaurants, in my spending money bank, and I was doing okay. I went to Subway and Jimmy John's a couple times because I play volleyball on Tuesday nights. So when I get home from work, I don't really have time to make anything. And I do buy a sub for my boyfriend as well because we always split eating out things, if that makes sense. So this month was what I've spent, and pretty reasonable until I went on a date with my girlfriend to a winery. So that kind of put me over the edge, but I have $30 left. And how many more Tuesdays are there? And I might not even have to pay every Tuesday. So there's only 2 more Tuesdays. And if I spend exactly, $14, that's $30. I will just be a little bit over. But unfortunately, if I spend like anything more, or like go out, I might be in trouble. But that's okay because it happens, and that's that. Groceries, I know I've made at least 3 or 4 $50 trips, but that was on my boyfriend's card. So when we reconcile at the end of the month on what we owe each other, I will update you guys on groceries, but I know I've at least spent probably close to $200. I've been spending a little bit more than normal because I am trying to count my macros and eat better things, so we'll see. Clothing, I haven't spent a dime. Can you believe that? I haven't spent anything. I will be spending $45 for my La Tote thing that I get every week. I like rent clothes, if you will, which is going to, in my head, lower this. So I think I'll just be less tempted. If there's anything that I need, I will take it out of this. And I might even make this a sinking fund because I'm going to try and not spend like any money on clothing unless I absolutely need to. And I've already noticed that I really only have like 1 pair of jeans I actually wear, 1 or 2. So I think it's time to like get a little bit more jeans that actually fit me, even though I'm trying to lose weight. So I'm in this like weird weight thing right now, but I'm stoked. Like this is very probably random. Some people probably don't even spend any money on clothes, like my boyfriend doesn't, but very excited about that. So subscription wise, I have my beauty subscriptions, which, Ipsy, I've like paused. This is the last month for a bit, so I won't have that the next couple months. So I've only spent $89 there. Miscellaneous. So actually, I'm just going to go into this story because I don't know if anyone else like gets into this type of thing, but so we're going to talk about this really quick. This expense. So I really like LipSense, which is basically like a long-wearing lipstick, but unfortunately it's through like affiliate marketing, so you have to like sell to your friends. And this connection that I have who sells it, not only am I connected with her as a friend, I'm connected with her in a career. So she knows that I love it. I always buy lipstick through her. And she messaged me and was like, hey, if you sign up, it's a $55 sign-up fee, but you can use that credit towards lipsticks. Like that never happens. Normally you pay $55 and then you get the discount throughout the year and you don't ever get that money back. Like that's just not whatever. And she's like, I know you don't want to be a distributor, but if you want some LipSense, you can use that money towards LipSense and then on top of it, get some free product. And then throughout the rest of the year, you'll get a discount instead of buying it through me. So I like buy it through her, but, I don't get that discount. So I half did it because I do really like LipSense, and I half did it because of the connection, and it's a huge connection in my career, like not LipSense. So I went ahead and did it because I've been very, very, very good with my budget and miscellaneous thus far. And since I'm in a lot of weddings soon, I'm thinking for the brides, I'm going to buy the lipstick because it'll last pretty much their whole night, which is pretty important. So I'm thinking I might use this as like gifts in the future. I can get a discount on that. But anyway, it said like $55, right? Well, tell me why when I checked out, it was really $66. So I didn't get to use all of that money towards that. And then I bought a gift as well that ended up being $46.67. So I bought a lip color and a lip gloss for the bride that I'm going to be going to the shower soon. I'll spend a little bit more, probably like another $20 thing for her. The shower's next weekend, but yeah. And then I got a well, basically what I'm saying is like affiliate marketing and those things, they're going to nickel and dime you till you're dead. So I would never recommend it. And what, I don't know. And I'm also thinking, I have a lot of friends who also like LipSense. So if they just want to use me for getting LipSense, I'm probably not going to make any money off of it. I'm not going to try to. I'll just like give them my discount. But yeah, that was kind of like my mistake of the month. Of course, you know, it's not a mistake because I'm going to get some fun lip colors, but at the same time, it was kind of like, this wasn't worth it. I would have rather just bought like one lipstick whenever a color comes out that I want, but whatever. That's a very long tangent on LipSense. But I had a couple other things. I spent like $25 at Michael's, but I had a gift card, so I only paid $5.90. I have boots. I finally returned from September, so that was $40 back in my pocket. I bought a desk calendar for $7 and a game for $10, me and my boyfriend, and it seemed like a really fun party game, so I'm excited about that. And then I bought an Apple Watch band. Orange Theory, I've already paid. Now this is something, these two things are something that you did not see on my first budget. I have been playing in a volleyball league for the last couple months, but the person on my team, he paid for the whole entire team, which was so nice of him. But he decided that he just wanted to play court volleyball, not sand volleyball, so I had to join a team, and like they're not going to pay for me, so, and that's fair. It's $65, but we are one of the better teams, so if you keep winning your league, you'll get your money back, or you can use it for the next league. So I'm really hoping that I don't need to make this a sinking fund, and I know I'm like gambling on myself and my skills, but this was an expense I forgot was coming, which is kind of unfortunate. Medical, I went to the dermatologist and there was some things that I wanted like removed on my body, like skin tags, and I didn't really realize that that is considered like cosmetic, if you will. So I did, and I did this a couple months, but I just got the bill now, and that was $145, which is unfortunate. But it is what it is, and to be honest, I'm probably going to have to go to the dermatologist at the end of the month anyway, because I've a spot on my face I'm just concerned with. So yeah, that's fun. Life insurance is $17.40. For whatever reason, my payment this month was $109.24 on my Sallie Mae loan, even though the interest went up. And then my other payment was $125.65. So yeah, this payment went up, this payment went down. I don't know if this just went down because I paid some interest off with the $113 for my YouTube ad money that I made last month. But yeah, so these haven't been paid yet. But obviously at the moment, I'm $110 over budget, and that's mainly because of these two things. I'll probably have to make it up on my sinking funds over here, like maybe not put so much money towards this, but we'll see what ends up happening. But that's about it. That is my mid-month budget report. I know I'm almost at like 15 minutes, but thanks for watching. And if you are having a good month like me, I hope you continue to have a good month. And if you are struggling, keep with it. We got it. Let's do it. Pay off this dang debt and be good with our money. Have a good day. Bye.